Since the GS18 I is a GNSS RTK unit by itself, it means I can get coordinates in local grid SPR21 immediately. This adds another dimension in delivering the results immediately at site. When a contractor opens the trenches to lay pipes, they have to cover the trenches immediately once the pipes are laid. You will not be able to see what's in there anymore if you are late. By walking around the trenches, the GS18 I can rapidly capture images, what's inside the trenches or exposed underground facility. At the same time, I can record the local grid's positioning. There will be no disputes of what has been laid underground. A report will be generated with images and northing, easting, and elevation coordinates data. GS18 I provides many advantages to me. Amongst that is the fact that it saves manpower as you need only one man to operate a unit. Time saving is another benefit because I can process the data in real time, immediately on site. The other value add is the post-processing ability in Infinity to extract more points to increase accuracy.